Od bura mamalo yango ni gibiro dwaro mondo miten migao mateko chope od bura maduoko penjo kaluwore kod lal mar stima makinde ka kinde e pacho kae. E kinde chakruok romo margi mandala dek e boma Naivasha, tend od bura mamalo kotelne kod Speaker Moses Wetangula okoni joket mwandu biro ringo Kenya kendo odhi e pinje mamoko kaluwore kod lal mar stima kod nengo mamalo mar teko e pacho kae. Wetangula onyiso jotend komiti mag od bura mondo mi hawe badhore ne twak mag od bura ma okoni osamia kuom twak ewi chike manyalo kelo lokruok e pacho ka ok yud sir mowuok kuom jopiny. Tend od bura okone jotend migepe mondo mi otim mar kamano to giikre ne dhi pacho ka ok gitimo kamano.
Listening to Honorable Wandai and his team about energy, you know this country is suffering from very serious energy stress. Sometimes power can disappear in Western Kenya on Friday and it comes back on Tuesday. A lot of messages from Kenyans in the diaspora. Oh, Mr. Speaker, there is a bill before the House that is going to tax every single income in agriculture. The best you can give back to Parliament is never to miss attendance of the House. A member is sponsoring a bill or has a motion. Week in, week out. When the matter is called, the member is nowhere.
And indeed, when we change our standing orders to allow the cabinet secretaries to appear before the House to answer to questions and statements, the intent was basically to reaffirm our constitutional mandate as a House that oversights these cabinet secretaries. And as Honorable Junet said in passing, the House that can also impeach them. And you've seen we have really done well in that respect.
We had a crisis of the finance bill. Now we had a crisis of Riggy G. We don't want another crisis. Now we want to move forward. We are done with the crises. We have dealt with all crises.